The SADC chairman, President Mnangagwa, is expected to lead the regional bloc's Trans-Frontier Conversation Areas (TFCA) International Conference and Summit of Heads of State and Government set for Monday next week in Harare. Sanapenda mashoko anokonza aiwa Zimbabwe to host SADC Conservation Summit. Subscribe like around the bell. This comes as the region looks to strengthen political commitment to preserving Southern Africa's rich biodiversity. In a joint statement yesterday, the government and the SADC Secretariat said the TFCA initiatives were not only crucial for Zimbabwe, but the region at large, as they protect ecosystems and wildlife while driving economic growth, fostering regional cooperation and benefiting local communities. The summit will be held under the theme Trans-Frontier Conservation Areas, 25 years of cooperation for regional integration and sustainable development. Government and SADC said the gathering's objectives are to strengthen political commitment to the TFCA program, promote investments in TFCAs, and enhance cross-sectoral integration for sustainable development. The Joint Action in Natural Africa Climate, Resilience and Natural Resources Management in the SADC program, co-financed by the European Union and the German Federal Ministry for Economic Cooperation and Development, is supporting the SADC TFC International Conference and Summit and will actively participate in key sessions. Added the statement, for many years, the development of TFCAs has been a major focus area of cooperation between SADC, the EU and Germany. Tomashukwa kuda panguva ino pamusoro awapi SADC summit ichange iripo munyika yeZimbabwe next week. Macho ari kuda panguva ino aiwa tinoona kuti the SADC block panguva ino inoonekwa kunzi macitizens kana kugara munyika yeZimbabwe aiwa havasina kana basa nayo ende havachatomboni kukosha the SADC block just because they know kuti it disappointed in the year 2023 pavaitarisira kuti aiwa this block ichavamiririra aiwa pane kugunun'una kwakaita pamusoro pemabosi. Ina kune section yedu mafunguro enyu matuluye pamusoro pechituko ichi. So subscribe or like, chimutanga bell icon.